Hello, I'm going to show you how to file a VAT return. So we're on the VAT page, we click on the download filing worksheet, we select the version that we're going to use. I'm going to use Excel. Then you can either insert that worksheet into your existing bookkeeping spreadsheet, or you can keep it as a separate worksheet. In either case, you need to transpose the figures. So I'll do that first of all. For box 1, I put an equal sign into box 1, go and find my sales VAT, then I go and press an equal sign and go and find my purchases VAT, and then my sales net equals and enter, and then purchases net equals and enter. Then check the figure to file, £2,066, then go back to the website. Then you'd log in, and once you've created an account already and you've inserted your VAT number and you follow the on-screen prompts to authorize our software, you then log in and it would look something like this. And here we have a VAT return to file, so I click on the file return button and I'm choosing the Excel option from the various options available. I can either drag and drop my file there, but I'm going to choose the file. Then I'm going to upload that data, and here it is. There's the £2,066. I tick the confirmation box and file the VAT return. And we can see that the return has been accepted. Thank you.